Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we've here today is this Casablanca Clairemont ceiling fan. This is pretty much a Hampton-based St. Clair. The ceiling fan has been sold to JJ the Fan Man, and I picked it up at the Habitat Restore for him. The mounting isn't original. It's from my Casablanca Victorian. It came with a 4-foot down rod, and it's right here. So yeah, it's in a little rough shape. Got to clean it up a little. Blades are out of whack. This one's bent backwards and it's a little scratched up. I don't know what this is, all that dust on it, gotta clean it. But yeah, I'll show you the tag. Casablanca. These fans were made by Hazley with 188 by 20 millimeter motors. No idea when it's from. I want to say about 2001 or later because it has this tag. And I know that Casablanca started using this tag in 2001 or later because I remember on eBay there's this Concentra and it had Casablanca, then the serial codes like this Victorian has that I'm rebuilding had that exact same tag. Yeah, so go to low now. So. Okay. All right, put her on low. Here's low speed. This fan has a pretty quick startup to it. Is that low? Yeah, I think it is. Starts up pretty quick, if you ask me. Is that low? I don't know. Let me see. That's high. Off. Whoa. It is a bit wobbly because the blades are a bit wonky. Have to fix that. The Clairemonts came in a few different finishes, which this one is in white, antique brass, and then white and brass, and then all polished brass. This is pretty much a Casablanca Victorian, like a next gen one, because when this fan came out, they're like in their next gen years, like the next gen Zephyr. That was also made by Halsey, or Hazley, however you say it. Yeah, we'll go to medium now. I'll actually bump the tripod. Fix that. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty wobbly. After this video, I'm gonna realign all the blades and clean it up. All right, we'll go to high now. Oops. It's just my shoes squeaking on the floor here. Probably hear it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.